Good evening. South Dakota health officials announced today that 3 COVID-19 variants are now spreading in the state. The arrival of the variants coincides with a rise in cases in South Dakota. As KELOLAND's Tom Hansen shows us, for the medical community, the spread of the variants to South Dakota is concerning, but not surprising.
Here's a look at the counties where the 20 cases have been confirmed. The first 3 cases were discovered in Minnehaha County 2 weeks ago. But as you can see, cases are now showing up across the state. There is 1 case of the South African variant in Brookings County. There are 5 cases of the California variant in Roberts County. And there are now 14 cases of the UK variant in Brookings, Lyman, Minnehaha, and Pennington counties. Avera Chief Medical Officer Dr. Kevin Post says the medical community is keeping a close eye on the variants because there is real concern.
Hopefully one does not develop that the vaccines are not effective against. So right now, in our testing, we've shown the 3 vaccines are effective with the variants, but we continue to watch this closely because variants could be a game changer as we move through this year. Could really change the course of this pandemic yet.
In many states, a downward trend in cases in February has reversed into an upward trend in March. We are so close to getting ahead of the virus, but the spread of the variants proves the virus is adapting.
Really, a variant will mutate or change itself in order to best survive in its environment. It's almost a way that living organisms adapt as a survival mechanism.
The higher percentage of people who get vaccinated, the lower the chance the variants will gain a foothold. Dr. Post is hoping those on the fence about getting vaccinated will decide to do it to help their friends and family. Post says he's grateful to those who continue to do their part.
I do ask, for their ongoing support, because really this is all of us in it together for our communities, for our families. And I think by living wisely, making good choices, and being vigilant, we can come through this safely.
Tom Hansen, KELOLAND News.
And Brookings County is the only county with 2 different variants. Testing show both the South African and the UK variants are spreading in the Brookings area.